This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive blizzards headed towards Wyoming on Wednesday, March 13, 2019. It's going to bring up to 12 plus inches of snow or more, especially in Casper, Wyoming and Cheyenne, Wyoming. It's going to bring a lot of snow. It's going to bring a lot of snow drifts and very strong winds to blow and drift the snow. It's going to bring massive snow drifts in Cheyenne, Wyoming and Casper, Wyoming as well. And it's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be really strong. It's going to cause very strong winds, blow and drift the snow. Reduced visibility. It's going to bring dangerous and treacherous driving conditions, especially on streets, roads, highways, and interstate highways. Will be snow covered in Wyoming. It's going to bring a lot of snow in Casper, Wyoming, and Cheyenne, Wyoming. It's going to bring a ton of snow, very strong winds. It's going to cause blow and drift the snow, reduced visibility. It's going to cause dangerous and treacherous driving conditions. There'll be massive snow drifts, blow and drifted snow, reduced visibility. It's going to bring a lot of snow, very strong winds in the state of Wyoming, including Yellowstone National Park. People in Wyoming, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, your jackets ready, hats and gloves, scarves, ski pants ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Doing grocery shopping, don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Make sure every Samsung Galaxy search, Samsung Galaxy smartphone search, Samsung Galaxy tablet search, smartphone, cell phone, laptops, tablet search. Have your treat you for your ear ready. When you drive a car, take your time, drive your car slowly down so you don't get into car accidents. When you go for a walk, be very careful walking so you don't slip and fall. Make sure if your furnace is ready, you turn on the furnace to keep those warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your extra blankets ready to keep you warm as well. Make sure your shovel, snow scoop, snow blower, snow plow, salt trucks ready as well. If everybody living in Wyoming, be prepared for massive blizzard on Wednesday, March 13, 2019. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive blizzard. Stay warm, be safe.